So here's a quick video on how to set up this really nice transition effect between your always on display and your lock screen. Now this effect might look better on different wallpapers, like this one for example, which is really nice and bright. You can see the difference in color, and as I lock it, it transitions from the colored version into a black and white version with the outline for the always on display, which is really nice. Now some people had a problem with this in the previous video I made a long time ago, so I'm going to show you step by step how to set this up now. And I found a solution for the problem that people have been having, so stay with me. Okay, here we go. You're going to start by going into your Good Lock application and then select the Wonderland module and then press on create your different lock screen effect. Okay, I'm going to do this from scratch just to show you the whole process. I'm going to select new and then image settings. Now you've got two options here. This is your gallery. If you go onto this option, it will generate some of the popular ones and the latest ones that people have used. Okay, so you can choose any of those. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and go into my gallery and choose a picture that I've installed from online, from Pinterest, by the way, if any of you are interested and are thinking about asking in the comments. So Pinterest, search for your phone model and search for, you know, 4K wallpaper or whatever, and it will come up loads of nice pictures on there. I'm going to go for this one for the demonstration. Once I'm done, I'm going to click away from here. And then I can select effect type, and you can see they've got a number of different effects here. So pixelated, ripple, wrap, edge. This is the one that I like to use, the edge one, and it's really nice. So this is where people have had problems in the past and have reported problems to me. So if I click away from it, once you've chosen your effect that you like, click away from it, and then you can select screen off, and this will show you how your screen will look when the effect is not on, basically, or operating. Okay, now people have said that when their screen is off, it just shrinks down to a circle. And this is why. If you go into effect settings and you turn that on, that then for some reason causes that problem. Okay, so if that's the problem that you're having, you want to make sure you go into effect settings and make sure that's turned off. Now, I don't know why this has it, because this causes the problem, because it's quite nice to, you know, be able to determine the speed and the thickness and things like that. But for me, this is where the problem's occurring. So if I turn that off, you can see with the screen on and with the screen off. Now you're not done just yet. You want to press save. And this is going to generate a file, if you like, within Good Lock for your effect. Okay, press save. And then you want to go ahead and set it as wallpaper for the lock screen only. Do not do the lock and home screen. Okay, so lock screen. And that's it. We're done. So if I go out, you should see that effect play out nicely. Obviously, with this one, I had the clock down here. I would go ahead and maybe make it smaller and move it up here. But in a nutshell, that is how you create this really nice effect. Hope this helps. Peace.